something for you. Hold on. There you are. Good morning. Look at this. You think you want a carrot?
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you
Been in the
free.
refrigerator all night long. These babies don't know cold food.
There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
Look at this. I put it in the refrigerator. It's cold. Hello, baby. I'm guessing you don't get a lot of cold food. Here, baby. Here, take a bite. What do you think about that? Watch it. Oh, yo, you can get it. Whoa. It's for you. Watch it. Oh, my. Okay. Good morning. Here you go. Take one more. I gotta go. Enjoy your day.
Waiting around the bend.
Enjoy your day. Okay. I know we're getting toward the end, but did you know you can sponsor? You can buy me a double croissant and you can buy. Kitty cat, what are you doing? Hi, sweetie. I know you're there. You can buy me a double espresso and a croissant on my trip. Click the link. Okay. It's very good. It's very complex. It's good. It's very good. I have nothing bad to say. In fact, I'll say 8.5. I'm upgrading their score. That was a 9. Very substantial, very complex, very delicious, and absolutely great value. Who says that these days? So, Mr. Baker, I shall be back. What if I am? What if I am? What if I come back to the exact same place? I fool myself every year thinking like, it's not going to happen. There's no way I cannot spend my Septembers like this. Very good, thank you. Thank you. So the ATV has been returned. Now, as you remember from a previous video, while on the rugged trail roads, I found a wallet filled with valuable cards and cash. I turned it over to the authorities and filled out my contact info and made sure it was in safe hands. The police wanted my contact number. This is what I got this morning. Hi, Tony. My name is Alessandro, and I wanted you to know that the local police in Folegandros contacted me and gave me back the wallet that you found in the drawer. No, I found it on the trail. It still contains my documents, cards, money, etc. As tomorrow, me and my wife, Claudia, are leaving and going to Milos. Oh my gosh, so am I. It would have been a big problem, yeah. And I'm so grateful that I would never find the right words to thank you. Hope to meet you one day, maybe in Italy, for a beer, a dinner, or whatever. Always welcome. We live in the north. I would love to go to the north. Not far from Milan. Wishing you all the best for your holiday. Ciao. Alessandro and Claudia. They're on the same ferry. So if you hear anybody speaking Italian, let me know. them. I've been listening for anybody who's speaking Italian, but heading across the Aegean Sea, I'm returning to a familiar favorite. You know, this just isn't a stop on the journey. Milos is an airport island, so it's the necessary gateway that will help me return to Athens, which in turn helps me return back home. Greek vacation places have in common? Well, hello. I know you want to come in. You want something? Come on, there you go. Begin a story about changing islands. You ready for this? It's okay. I'm a seasoned traveler. I've been here many times. I was completely lost, couldn't find my hotel. I was getting frustrated because I was told that there's no staff, somebody was going to meet me, and if I wasn't there, you know, that's not the first time that I got locked out because of something. I didn't want that to happen. I couldn't find. Okay, here's the point. I found it. It's all good. I'm unpacked. Last night's hotel experience was such the creme de la creme. If you said it's time to get on your plane and go home, I would be okay with that. But there's still, we're in the fourth quarter of the game, my friends. This is the last island. Welcome to Milos. And every travel video that begins with a sunrise and packing should always end with a sunset and a drone shot and a chicken pita.